he used to write each and every small detail. If you see his script, his emotional graph, this is going, he's going to perform and he's going to do this, fourth scene he's going to do this. Wow. He used to write everything.
Hello Mukesh, lovely to meet you, and it's not the circumstances we would have imagined, but I just want to say, what are you feeling as of now? I'm sure it's bittersweet and emotional.
You already know what I'm feeling, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, same, it's a very bitter and sweet feeling. I don't even know how to react to the situation at present. I'm still thinking and still figuring out how to deal with it.
And it's amazing the kind of love the trailer got, the songs have got. It's beaten all records. So much so Avengers fell behind. Sometimes they say that people, when they go away, get more love than when they are living. It's the irony of our lives.
Yeah, I'm looking at people's response and fan love for Sushant. I'm also I'm very touched the way they are behaving and reacting to this. And I think without Sushant's blessing, he's watching all of us. Must be smiling.
I'm sure, and I truly feel this project is blessed by him, because the kind of love, reaction, and also it's such an emotional movie. Fault in Our Stars. It's a tearjerker, but also it's about being victorious against all odds. But it's a dialogue of Sushant's that I heard in your promo that says, "Janam kab lena hai aur marna kab hai, ye hum decide nahi karte, lekin
kaise जीना है, हम decide करते हैं."
Who thought that this would, be?
I think when you write a film and when you write a dialogue, and Shashank wrote this dialogue, so आपको मालूम नहीं होता ना, the meaning of dialogue will be very different when you see the situation very different now. I was also, whenever I hear the dialogue, I said, man, this is very different now. Everything has changed. The meaning of every line and every scene is fully changed now. Everything has changed. So I think now you see one, and you see there are many dialogues like that, you will now connect with those dialogues very differently, at a different level. When you write a film, it's very different because only you know that you're only making a film. Now, irony of life that is actually not there. Yes.
And somewhere when I saw the trailer of the movie, it's the positivity of Sushant. I have interacted with him since Kai Poche, Dhoni. That was that kind of vibrancy that he had, energy. वो तो physics का guru था, so I would say the frequency of Sushant actually comes out. So, was he your first choice for this movie?
Always,
and why did you choose?
Always from first choice, because he had promised me 2017, whenever you make your first film, I'll be the part of it. And I said, okay. In 2018, when Rucha Pathak from Foxstars India approached me, so I called him, he immediately said, yes, I'm doing it without even reading the script. I think we were very clear, whenever I make my first film, you'll be part of it. He said, whenever you make your first film, he had promised me like a brother, and he kept his promise. And he didn't read the script. He read the script only when we reached Jamshedpur 4 days before the shoot. He said, let's do one reading. So अगर मैं दिल बेचारा नहीं बनाता और फिल्म में बनाता तो सुशांत नहीं होता. सुशांत मेरी पहली फिल्म में होता.
So why did you choose this particular, an adaptation of?
I think when I read the script, I was very emotionally moved. So I said, this is a film I want to tell. You as a filmmaker, you also feel what you want to say, because I worked with so many filmmakers. I worked on so many films. I was always looking for my own voice, what I like. So I think I'm also a very emotional person. So that is the reason I got attracted to that story.
Since you've been a casting director for so long and now you're directing it, so I'm sure you have done auditions with Sushant and now directed him. So share as a director, as a casting director.
I think because he's very close to me, we were like brother. So for me, I have never like that I'm directing. We were like friends and chilling on set. Tu ye kar de, acha ye mat kar, dusra kuch kar de, ye mat kar, don't do this. Because I've directed him in Kai Poche auditions also, right? First time for any film audition is for Kai Poche. So I think I knew his weak point, where he feel happy. I know kaise usko deal karna. I think we were like friends. I know when you know the person, you know how to deal with it. So I will never felt that, okay, do this, do that. I think we were always in a very chill mood. So I never over-directed him. He knew what I want. I would tell him, don't do this. Very easy. Very, very, and also he's a very intelligent actor. His homework, he's always ready with his own logic when he's performing.
Yeah, I know. I used to call him Professor, because he used to always, because numbers are everywhere, there's frequency, vibration. So that's how he would talk. Such an intelligent guy. So, any memories from the shoot of the film with him and Sanjana, anything that you can recall?
I think there are so many memories, not just one, because I've spent so much time with him. Since from Kai Poche to Dil, and Dil Bejara set we used to like chill, because I tell you why, because the film is it's a very heavy film. So I always after every emotional scene, used to just take a break. And I used to play Shah Rukh Khan film ka Gana. I used to start dancing on it because I wanted to unwind. Because when you're emotionally invested, you just want to unwind. So we used to eat together, used to play together, just to get out of that zone. It's very important because as an actor, you're very vulnerable always. You're very emotionally very sensitive. आप बहुत जल्दी घुस जाते हो scene में, then you need some time to get out of it. So there are so many memories like that. We used to play together after every scene or dance randomly so that we just come out of it.
And you've got A.R. Rahman, who's composed the soundtrack of the film. And Farah Khan narrated like how the title track that we all saw was done by him in one take. So, I mean, could you share something with us about
I think when I approached Farah Khan, I call her Farah Di. I said, this is what I'm doing in my first film. He said, Bol. I said, my first film, I just wanted to choreograph the song. He said, Acha, Gana bhej. I said, this is my first film, Sushant Cheney. Gana to bhej. I said, but everyone is saying you're too busy, you're really big. How will that to Gana? Who's done the movie? I said, A.R. Rahman. He said, Acha, tujhe A.R. Rahman mil gaya. You know how she talks like that. So I said, yeah. So then I, on WhatsApp, I sent her a song that he had. So she loved that song. He said, एक काम करते हैं, इसको single short take में करते हैं. Sushant is a great dancer. I know, so he can pull it out. And I told Sushant, he said, yeah, let's do it. I remember we were in Jamshedpur shooting that. मैंने phone किया. So he got really excited, and of course Farah Khan also got really excited. And she said, मैंने बोला आपकी फीस इस पागल है क्या? मैं तुझसे पैसे लूँगी तेरी first film में. So she just said, let's do it. And we did 2 days of rehearsal, and Sushant, तीसरे दिन we started shooting. 10 मिनट में गाना खत्म किया and we were done.
Wow. And Mukesh, as you also know, every film comes with its own destiny. I mean, 2017 was the announcement, I still remember. And it's releasing now.
2018. 2017.
18. Yeah, 2 years back. And no one anticipated, no one had a clue how things would pan out. So, I mean, what's your thing on it? It took 2 years, and now instead of a theatrical, it's getting a digital release. So what's your take? I mean, I know it's the need of the hour. We can't help it.
I think it's the need of the hour. We can't help it. Like as you said, look at the condition of the country. किसी को कुछ clarity नहीं है कि कभी theatre खुलने वाले हैं. I think the best decision. Now you are at home, you are safe, and you can watch this film. It's free for everyone. Ultimately, you need audience. No point without. You make film for audience. So I think this is the best decision, and we were all clear, and we were all happy कि कुछ होने वाला नहीं. Right now, no one knows किधर कब खुलने वाला है. We can only assuming कि सितंबर में खुलेगा, अक्टूबर में खुलेगा, 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगा. We're just discussing. We're just saying. So now इधर के चलो, right time with this. Let's just release the film.
So tell me, is casting people easier or directing them easier?
Actually, casting for your own film are very difficult. I'll tell you why. Because when you're casting for others, they always a point of view. They can guide you. I'm looking for someone like this. When you cast your own film, every decision is yours. Because now they're waiting for my decision. So I think direction is very difficult. It's very different from casting. Because in casting, you're only handling one department, and I've been doing that for the last 15 years. So I think kind of know that job. That I've done more than 200 films now. This is my first film. So it's very different. The first is always very different. But I enjoyed the process. But the situation is very different now. I can't even enjoy the releasing of the film. The mood is very different now.
You put up a very emotional post saying that it's been a month. I can't even expect a phone call anymore.
Yeah, because now I don't even अभी जो भी कुछ हो रहा है अगर film normal life होता तो वो हम साथ में promote कर रहे होते. Like in this screen, you, me, and Sushant and Sanya साथ में होते. वो different होता life.
I'm sure, absolutely. I so agree with that. And also, I mean, when was the last time you spoke to him? It was a discussion about the movie. The last time you all were together. I mean,
on my birthday, he called me on 27th May. We had a long chat. Of course, birthday तो phone करेगा. We had a long chat. Then on and off, we were discussing about releasing of the film. So he knew the date, how we're releasing. सब उसको मालूम था. So we were on.
So playing Kizzy and Manny, the two characters, and you said Sushant was always your first choice, but a director and a casting person thinks about why these characters this actor would be suited to play this character. So tell us about your casting process. Why did you choose Sanjana to play Kizzy?
I'll tell you Sanjana. Sushant, of course, because he's a great actor, and I wanted, and he's very charming as a person. You met him, he was very charming, and I wanted many. If you see Manny the character in the trailer, also you see he's very charming. He's charming everyone in the film also. So his actual charm worked for the film, for the character. And plus, because of my understanding with him, वो बहुत smooth था. And about Sanjana, because she's done Rockstar with me, she was 13 years old. So
Yes,
yeah.
of course.
तो Rockstar के बाद, and she started liking acting, and then we were in touch together. She's done few ads with her. So then for Rockstar के बाद, my college mates went to LSR, then I met her. And before that, when I did script, I wanted a girl completely because I love finding new talent. Always my first job is like, and Kizzy, if you see the character, also very fragile and very innocent. You just want to protect that girl. If you see Sanjana Seth, it's very, very, very innocent. You want to protect that girl. And I said, yeah, this face is correct. And I also wanted a fresh girl. There is no film ka baggage. Only people should remember Kizzy Basu. I think people will remember Kizzy Basu for next couple of years now.
I'm sure they do. And also, since you are in the industry, do you think like our shooting formats, narratives are going to change a bit? Like there'll be a different way of storytelling?
Anji, everything will be changed now. Not just film industry. Now you see business idea will be changed. People will come with more idea. Even the story, of course, everything is changed now. People now think story very differently. You'll have to now use this pandemic in their stories in future. So huge, you have affected everyone. It's a big thing happened. I think बहुत कुछ change होने वाला है. In stories, in relationships, in film, how they're going to show relationship will be very different now.
But पहले shooting भी करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा because I mean with social distancing, as they said,
तो let's not even discuss about that. We were just discussing. Because है ना, as like theater खुल रहे हैं, हम कल से shooting कर रहे हैं, हम September से कर रहे हैं, October से कर रहे हैं. It's not safe. It's not safe at all.
Yeah.
Look at the amount of cases increasing every day. Yesterday somebody told me it's close to 40,000, 35,000, 32,000. I said, oh my God, look at that, हम 1 million पे touch कर गए.
जी.
So I think हम लोग right now important we just be safe, and maybe जब things are normal, they can recreate and rebuild everything. We should just relax and just pray that we are surakshit and pray for others.
And also, I was speaking to many stars who actually feel, especially the new talent, they said at least अभी वो box office की वो जो तलवार उनके सर पर hang होती है वो नहीं है. That at least everybody is going to watch their films, they'll see the films, they will be given a chance. Do you think that also it's a boon in a way?
I think now it's same for everyone. जो भी अच्छी film है, people going to see that. Yeah. And जो भी actors होते हैं, I don't think so. जो pressure जो है ना हमको करोड़ों का जो 100 crore box office, हमको pressure नहीं होता है, हमको डलवाया जाता है.
हाँ.
We self-created नहीं. People have created for us. Yeah. हम तो actor तो बोलते हैं मैंने अपने performance किया वो तो चला गया. So I think they created by other people. They should know how to handle it.
जी. आपका सबसे favorite scene कौन सा है picture में? I mean original तो सबने देखी है, but when you were making it, the one scene that holds special place for you.
There's first film में तो every scene is important, everything is special for you. I can't pick and choose one scene because I'm just अपने सामने अपनी film को बनते हुए देख रहा हूँ. For me every single scene, every dialogue is very important. You see and tell me and give your feedback and say कि इस scene में तूने सबसे ज़्यादा दिल लगाया. No, that scene the best. I think you guys will tell me. I can't choose one scene.
So it's going to be a little difficult for all of us to watch because I know it's an emotional tearjerker. We know what the story is going to be, and it's nice to see him there for, as they said, for James Dean, those who die young never grow old. He's always going to be the young, vibrant, dancey, smiley soul for all
and
of
even
us.
The last film, the trailer, he's very young, he's vibrant, he's very different. He's like a Kai Pochika Sushant, fully charming. Yeah.
So, they say when somebody goes away young, you never discuss their work at length. You talk about what could have been. But in a nutshell, for somebody who's worked with him, how would you describe his legacy?
I think in such a young age, he has done so much work. You see his film. He's worked with every big director of this country, whether Raju Rani, Nilesh Tiwari, Diwakar Banerjee, Abhishek Kapoor, Desh Tiwari. Sabke saath he's done so much work. He left legacy. Look at his television work. Best shows he's done. Look at his songs, you see his performances, amazing dances, you see everything. You see his live performing on IFA or Filmfare. You see he's left so much behind in such a young age. Yeah. You see Son Chidiya, you see the performances. You see Byomkesh Bakshi, and I was like, ye kya kar raha hai? Because I've seen him as a Kai Poche guy. Then you see him differently in different character. I was fully in shock. I said, ye kya kar raha hai ladka? Then you see Kedarnath, you see couple of scenes in Kedarnath. And I was like, ये किस level पे सोचता है चीजों को? And वो बहुत detail में सोचता था. Of course you met him. He used to write each and every small detail. If you see his script, his emotional graph, he's going to perform and he's going to do this. Fourth scene, he's going to do this. Wow. He used to write everything.
Wow, thank you so much, Mukesh. I can only say that as that day, as I said, when we all wrote our tribute, like I feel what you're going through. But it's lovely that, I mean, we never thought this would be the swan song, but thank you for giving us something to celebrate Sushant's legacy, and all the very best. And
thank you.
I know आप हम सबको रुलाने वाले हो कि picture भी वैसी ही है, but thank you so much and all the
Thank
very
you so
best.
much. I just want everyone to celebrate the film.
Celebrate the person, yes, exactly. Just celebrate the legacy of Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you so much, Mukesh. All the very best.